What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and in this video we have a very special package from AliExpress. Now this is a rugged case for your iPhone XR. This cost me around 250 rupees including shipping and everything. So this is the actual cover, so let's quickly see how it looks like. So this is a two-part case, and of course we get a user manual that shows how the cover is designed and how to install and whatnot. So let's have a look at the cover itself. So as I said, this is a two-part case, so it is made up of a hard plastic frame and a soft TPU material with a Clear acrylic back, so that you can show the beauty of your phone. So let's quickly also start installing the phone. As you can see, this is a very hard plastic, and also you have the appropriate cutout which we'll later see in the video. So let's start installing the cover. First you have to apply the hard TPU frame and the hard plastic frame, and then you have to start installing the TPU or the silicone kind of remaining case on the phone. And this is how the final product looks like. So of course you have a huge lip on the front that will help to protect the display in case if you drop the phone. Then you have the appropriate cutout for your ringer switch. You have a very tactile feedback from the volume rocker as well as the power on and off switch. And yes, there is no difficulty in using the phone. Of course it becomes a bit heavy as the iPhone XR is already heavy itself. On the bottom we have the appropriate cutout for your speaker, microphone and charging port, and we have the appropriate openings and cutouts for everything. So that's all for this video guys. Do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, to subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab.